You often keep scrolling through your social media feed and seeing accounts with millions of followers, all making money just by posting content. What if I told you that you could make money by flipping social media pages, whether you buy them or create them from scratch? Yes, it's possible, and it's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started flipping social media pages, and even give you the option of building your own page from the ground up. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start making money in a brand new way. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. So, what does it mean to flip a social media page? It's pretty simple. Flipping a social media page is just like flipping real estate. You either buy a page that's undervalued, grow its followers and engagement, and sell it for a profit, or you create a brand new page, develop it, and then sell it. Either way, you're looking to make money by increasing the value of the account and passing it on to someone else at a higher price. Why social media page flipping works. You might be thinking, why would anyone want to buy a social media page or even a newly created one? Here are a few reasons why this works. 1. Time saving. Growing an account from zero takes a lot of time and effort. By buying an established account, you're skipping all the hard work of starting from scratch. But here's the good news. You can also build an account from the ground up, which can be just as profitable, especially if you pick the right niche. 2. Ready-to-use audience. Whether you buy an account or create one, you're looking for an audience. With an established account, that audience is already in place. And with a new page, once you build it up, you've got an engaged group of followers that are ready to turn into potential buyers. 3. Niche opportunities. Social media is all about niches. Whether it's fitness, technology, fashion, or even something unique like vintage cars or plant care, people are always looking for pages that speak to their interests. Creating or buying a niche account gives you a head start in tapping into specific markets. So, now that you get the why, let's dive into the how. Whether you're buying an account to flip or creating one from scratch, these steps will guide you through the process. Step 1. Find the right social media page to buy or create one. Let's start with buying an account. If you're looking to buy an existing account to flip, the key is finding the right one. You want an account that has potential for growth, whether it's in terms of followers or engagement. Here's what to look for. Engagement. This is the most important factor. Does the account have an active audience? Check for comments, likes, shares, and overall activity. It's better to buy a smaller account with high engagement than a large one with low interaction. Content quality. Is the content consistent and of good quality? Accounts that have been consistently posting high-quality content are easier to grow. Niche. Find an account that aligns with a profitable and trending niche, whether it's lifestyle, tech, health, or something else. Niche accounts tend to be more valuable. Where can you find these accounts? Platforms like FameSwap, Social Tradia, and PlayerUp are popular for buying and selling social media accounts. You can filter by niche, engagement rate, and followers, making it easier to find the right account for flipping. But here's the twist. You don't have to buy an account at all. You can also create one from scratch. This is a fantastic option if you want to have more control over the direction of the account and avoid paying for an existing page. If you choose this route, make sure you focus on picking a niche. Choose a niche that has demand but isn't oversaturated. Think about areas you're passionate about or something that's trending. Health and wellness, tech gadgets, personal finance, and entertainment are all great examples. The more specific the niche, the better. Account name and branding. Create a name that resonates with your target audience and reflects the type of content you'll be posting. Set up a visually appealing profile with a strong bio and profile picture. First impressions matter, and the branding should immediately tell people what your page is all about. Step 2. Grow the account. Whether you've bought an account or built one from scratch, it's time to grow it. The goal is simple. Increase the followers, engagement, and overall quality of the page so you can sell it for a higher price. Here's how to do it. High-quality content. Content is king. Whether you're posting photos, videos, or stories, make sure your content is valuable, interesting, and consistent. In a niche like fitness, share workout tips, transformations, and motivational posts. In a tech niche, you can post reviews or gadget news. Make sure your content speaks to your audience's needs and interests. Engage with your followers. The more you engage, the more your followers will engage with you. Respond to comments, start conversations, and show your followers that you care. This builds trust, and loyal followers are more likely to stick around. Hashtags and trends. Don't forget to use hashtags that relate to your niche and post during trending times. Stay on top of current events and viral trends, as they can help boost your visibility. Cross-promote. Share your page on other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. You can also collaborate with other influencers in your niche to get more exposure. Step 3. Monetize the account. Optional but profitable. Monetizing the account while you're growing it can make it even more valuable when it comes time to sell. Here are a few ways to do it. Sponsored posts. If your page has a decent following, brands will be interested in promoting their products through your account. This is an easy way to make money while you grow your account. Affiliate marketing. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. Share links to products in your niche, and when people buy through those links, you earn a commission. Sell your own products. If you have your own products, social media is a great way to market them. Whether you're selling ebooks, merchandise, or digital courses, you can promote them directly to your followers. Step 4. Sell the social media page. Once you've grown the account, the next step is to sell it. The key to selling is providing potential buyers with solid information. Here's what you'll need to do. Provide analytics. Buyers want to know how engaged the followers are, so provide them with insights into your account's performance. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook give you detailed analytics on engagement rates, demographics, and follower growth. Set the right price. When setting a price, consider how much effort you put into growing the account, the niche it's in, and the revenue it generates if applicable. Don't overprice. It's better to sell quickly than wait for the perfect offer. You can sell your account on platforms like FameSwap, PlayerUp, or even private Facebook groups dedicated to buying and selling social media accounts. Step 5. Repeat the process. Here's the best part. Flipping social media pages can be done over and over. Whether you're buying, growing, and selling accounts, or creating and flipping your own, the process is scalable. You can start small and gradually build a portfolio of profitable social media accounts. There you go. Whether you're buying and flipping social media pages or creating them from scratch, flipping social media accounts is a great way to make money. It takes some effort and strategy, but if you follow these steps, you can start generating income while building up your social media portfolio. This method is still relatively new, which means you have a tremendous opportunity for growth. While it might seem a bit challenging right now, it's actually much easier than you think. You can simply create a page, say on Facebook, and start filling it with content related to your niche. And here's the best part. You can leverage AI to help you generate content and keep posting consistently. Whether it's motivational quotes or AI-generated videos, the possibilities are endless. Trust me, with this amazing money-making method, you could be on your way to building a fortune. Don't hesitate, take the plunge and start today. But remember, consistency is the key to success in this game. Stay committed, and you'll see the rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And hey, if you've ever flipped social media pages before, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. Please subscribe my channel for more money-making tips and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.